Have you ever thought of remodeling your house? Or wonder how that furniture that you kept an eye on for the longest time will look in your room? In this two-part series, I'm going over my favorite iPhone apps that can provide you with a fun and exciting experience designing your house. Houzz. Whether you are building, remodeling, or decorating, Houzz has you covered on improving your home design. Get the best design ideas for your home. Find, view, and buy products for your home. Choose from a huge selection of furnishing, accessories, and lighting that you can purchase with Apple Pay. Find, hire, and collaborate with the best home professional for your project. Read articles from editorial staff and design experts and get professional advices. Design home. A relaxing, fun game that allows you to live the life of an interior decorator and sharpen your decorating skills in a daily design challenges. It's quick, it's fun, and you can connect with a vibrant creative community while improving your design skills and gaining inspiration that you can apply in real life. Home Design 3D. Design and remodel your house in 3D. It has never been so quick and easy. Draw your room, dividers, change the height, create corners, and transform your special ideas into an appealing reality. Design your floor plan, furnish, decorate, and visit your creation. Once ready, export and share your creation with others. IKEA Place. Visualize how new furniture would look in your home with augmented reality. IKEA Place lets you virtually place IKEA products in your space. Simply find an empty spot in your room, rotate, and place the product there. The best part is you can share your place on social apps with your friends. These fantastic apps can help you start designing your house even if you are not a professional interior designer. I do hope you enjoy experimenting with these fantastic apps and seeing what different furniture would look like in your house.